Hello class, my name is Jeremiah. Today we are going to have some tutorials in mathematics. We are going to solve some question. We're going to solve question on exact equation. So, in the question, reduce the equation below to exact equation and solve it. Reduce the equation below to exact equation and solve it. Okay, this is the equation. You have x raised to the power 3 plus cos y, differentiation of y equals to minus 3x square y. Differentiation of y with respect to x. So here is it. So this one means what? The differentiation of y with respect to x. So okay, solution. This is the equation, right? So we have what? X raised to the power 3 plus cos y. This one means what? Dy dx. Differentiation of y with respect to what? X. So equals to what? Minus 3x squared y. So we have successfully interpreted. So what we are going to do here, we can balance here with 1, right? And cross multiplication. So when we cross multiplication, so what do you have now? Okay, you will see what? 1 multiplied by this, at the x multiplied by this. So we have 1 multiplied by x raised to the power 3 plus cos y, right? Then we have what? Dy. Have you seen that now? So 1 multiplied by this, right? Equals to the x. Okay, this multiplied by the x or the x multiplied by this. We have minus 3x squared y multiplied by what? The x, right? So I hope you're following. So we have 1 multiplied by everything here, which remains the same as what? X raised to the power 3 plus cos y dy. So this is what we have now. Are you getting it now? Okay. Okay, let's leave it here. So plus what? Plus dy. So this is what we have now. So 1 multiplied by everything here. See what remains the same here. So equals to minus 3x squared y multiplied by the x. We have what? Minus 3x squared y dx. So this is what we have now. So we are going to take this one to come and make this part. It will cross the equal sign and become what? Positive. If it was positive, when it cross the equal sign, it will become negative. If it was negative, when it cross the equal sign, it will become what? Positive. So we have x raised to the power 3 plus cos y dy. This will come here and become what? Plus 3x squared y dx. Everything equals to what? 0. So have you seen that now? So we have done that. So what we are going to do next is that we are going to change this one to be in the form of what? M do n. Okay, before we do that, we need to, yes, we are going to change it to become what? In the form of m dx plus n dy equals 0. So, but before we do that, we need to bring this one to this place and take this one here, right? So that it will be in the form that the x will be the first part and the y will be what is compact. So that's what we're going to do now. So we have 3x squared y dx, right? Plus x raised to the power 3. Have you seen that now? Plus cos y dy, this part here, equals to what? 0. So we have done that. So then we can change this part and change this one to what? In the form of this. So when we do that, so you need to follow this step by step. You need to follow it step by step. So you are going to proceed further. We are going to proceed further. to solve the question. So anytime you're solving this question, you need to take it step by step. You need to take it step by step. You need to take it step by step. Because if you miss, of course, you know that mathematics, we mark steps. So you need to follow it step by step. So when you follow it step by step, it will be easily understood. So from here, you see that we are going to, of course, maybe in this part to be in the form of this. Okay, let me write it down. We have 3x² y the x plus x raised to the power 3 plus cos y the y equals 0. And we see that we want to make it to be in this form, m dx plus n dy equals to 0. So what we're going to do is that you see, we are going to set this part as m, and this second part we're going to set this as what, n. So we have m equals to 3x² y, right? Then this second part we are going to set it as what, n. So we have n equals to x raised to the power 3 plus cos y. So we have successfully done that. So what we are going to do next is that we are going to differentiate m with respect to y. Then we are going to differentiate m with respect to x. That means we have the m the y, differentiation of m with respect to y, differentiation of m with respect to x. So we have the m, the y, that is the differentiation of m with respect to y, right? So it's what now? So we have 3. Okay, remember that this power is the same as what raised power 1, right? It's the same as raised power 1. So we have 3 multiplied by 1, right? X squared y, right? Then this is power 1. We have what? 1 minus 1. Have you seen that now? So we have 3 multiplied by 1 makes what? 3. We have what? X squared, right? And this one becomes what? Y raised power 0. Have you seen that now? So we have, what do we have here? We have 3x squared. Anything raised power 0 is 1 according to law of indices. So here is automatically to become what? 1. Y raised power 0 is what? The same thing as what? 1. So of course, when you multiply this one, 3x multiplied by 1 makes what? 3x squared. So that's it, we have solved it. So next thing to do is that we are going to differentiate n with respect to x. So I'm going to differentiate n with respect to x. So at this in that now, you follow this step by step. I'm going to differentiate n with respect to x. So solving step by step is very important. Solving step by step is very important. It's very, very important. So let's go right ahead to do the next step. So the next step is to find the n, the x. That is the differentiation of n with respect to x. Which is what now? We have, okay, let's differentiate this. This is what? We have 3, right? Multiplied by what? X. This power multiplied back. So we have 3 multiplied by x. Then we have what? Raised power 3. We are going to subtract 1 for the power. That's what this is how we are going to differentiate it. We have plus differentiation of cos y with respect to x is what? Is 0. Because this one does not have x, and we're differentiating it with respect to x, so automatically it becomes 0. So we have is equal to 3 multiplied by x is what? 3x, right? So 3 minus 1 is what? 2. So we have plus 0. No need of writing, so we have 3x squared. Okay, or if you write plus 0, 3x squared plus 0 is what? 3x squared. So now you're going to agree with me that the m dy is equal to what? The n x. So the n dy equals to the n dx. Which means the equation is an exact equation. So that means the equation is what? This equation is what? It's an exact equation. So what we're going to do now is that we are going to kind of integrate it. We are going to integrate it. We're going to integrate it with respect to x and with respect to y. So we're going to go right ahead. We're going to go right ahead to integrate it. We're going to go right ahead to integrate it with respect to y and with respect to x. So I will always expect your question in the comment box. Probably there may be a part that you don't really understand or you're kind of confused. Just drop your question in the comment box. I'll personally attend to it. So now, the next thing is to integrate it. So this is what we're going to do. Integration of n dx plus the integration of n which don't have x. Which don't have x, dy equals 0. So this is what we're going to have now. This is what we're going to do now. Integration of n dx plus integration of n dy equals to what? 0. So integration of n dx plus the integration of n which don't have x dy equals to 0. So what does that mean? Of course, when we are solving, when we are doing the differentiation, we set this part to be what? To be m. So our m here will be what? 3x²y. Then we'll bring down what? The x. This is the x plus the integration of n which don't have x. That means when we come to n, we're going to take the parts that don't have x. So this one have x, we're not going to pick it. We're going to pick what? This, right? We're going to pick cos y. We have cos y, right? dy equals to, okay? It should be equals to constant. Because when we interpret it, they will definitely be a constant. So this is what we're going to have here. So now let's integrate it right away. The integration of this with respect to what? X. So we have 3x² plus 1. We're going to add 1 to it. Think of the integration. Then we're going to divide it by this 2 plus 1, 2 plus 1. Remember there was y here, so we're going to put y here. So this is it. This is how we're going to do it. So plus this addition sign. The integration of cos y with respect to y. So what do we have now? Integration of cos y is what? Sin y with respect to y. And differentiation of y. Differentiation of y is what now? Differentiation of y. There of cos y with respect to y is minus sin y. Because the integration is what? The integration is sin y. So everything equals to what? Everything equals to constant. Everything equals to constant. So what do we have now? We have 3x, 2 plus 1 is what? 3. We have what? 3y, right? So the 3x, 2 plus 1 is what? 3. We have y divided by what? 3. Then we'll put what? Addition sign. And we'll bring out what? Sin y equals to what? Equals to our constant. Equals to our constant. So then we are going to move ahead. We're going to move ahead to solve it. We are going to move ahead to solve it. So you need to take it. You need to take everything step by step. Of course, I said in mathematics we usually mark steps, rather. So let's solve it for now. We have what now? We're going to find the LCM of 3 and 1. The LCM of 3 and 1 is what? 3. 1 is 3 multiplied by 1 is what? 3, right? So we say 3 divided by 1. 3 divided by 1 is 3 divided by 3 is what? 1, right? We're going to put 1. Then we're going to say 1 multiplied by 3x raised to power 3y. So this is 3x raised to power 3y. We bring the addition sign down. 3 divided by 3 is what? 3, right? Then we're going to say 3 multiplied by sine y. 3 multiplied by sine y equals to our constant, right? Equals to constant. So 1 multiplied by 3x raised to power 3y, we have what now? We have 3x²y, right? Plus 3 multiplied by sine y is what? Is 3 sine y, right? Divided by what? 3 by 3 equals to what? Equals to our constant. You can balance here with 1. You can balance here with 1 and do what? When you balance here with 1, we're going to cross multiply. We're going to cross multiply. So have you seen that now? It's very simple. Very, very simple. So just take it step by step. Step by step. Mathematics remain the most easiest subject you can ever know. So math is very, very simple. As far as you know the formula or you know the steps, and that's all. You are done with solving all problems. So understanding the question is part of solving it. If you don't understand the question, there's no how you can be able to solve it. So now, of course, from here we're going to cross multiplication. We're going to cross multiplication now. We're going to cross multiplication. We have what? We have 1 multiply 3x raised to power 3 y plus 3 sine y. Then 3 will multiply constant over c, or c multiply over 3. I mean, how we do is still the same thing. So we have what now? We have 1 multiplied by this, everything here. We have 1 multiplied by 3x raised to power 3 y plus 3 sine y. What else do we have? We have 3 multiplied by what? Our constant. So it's what now? 3 multiplied by constant, right? So 1 multiplied by everything here is what? 3x raised to power 3y plus 3 sine what? Sine y, right? Are you clear now? Equals to 3 multiplied by constant, what? Our 3 constant, 3c. So of course, we have successfully solved this question using exact equation. We have successfully solved it, and we have tested it that this equation is an exact equation. And we have proceeded to simplify it further. Okay, but I think there's something common. There's something that can go into this whole equation. Okay, something can go into all of them. You can divide both sides by 3 so that you will reduce it further. Are you getting now? So we have 3x raised to power 3y divided by 3 plus 3 sine y divided by 3 equals to 3 constant divided by 3. Because I find out that 3 can go into the whole equation. So we have what? 3 will cancel 3, 3 will cancel 3, and 3 will cancel 3. That 3 will divide 3, 3 will divide 3, and 3 will divide 3. So we have what now? X raised to power 3y plus sine y plus sine y equals to our constant. So this is the final solution to this problem. So this is it. We have solved it, successfully solved it, and this is the solution. I still remain Jeremiah Cletus Eden. Please follow me on my personal Facebook page on Jeremiah Cletus Eden. Like my page and follow me immediately. And don't forget to share my videos to your friends on Facebook and on your friends in the group. You can also like and follow our personal lesson page on Brain Box Lessons Academy. Just go to your search box on Facebook and search us. You will personally see our page there, our lesson page. We're going to see our logo there. Logo of Brain Box Lessons Academy. In each post I do on Facebook on my videos, I will definitely send you a link that can lead you to my YouTube account for you to subscribe to my channel. I still remain Jeremiah Cletus again. Thank you.